Why do I add coconut milk? Of course, because it's high in good fats, and I just love the taste of coconut milk. It makes the dish nice and creamy, and it's a really great taste. Today I made chola. I'm not going to teach you how to make chola because I'm sure many of you can make chola better than me. But I'm going to teach you something very important today. What is the number one reason we love dals and chickpeas and legumes in our diet? Other than the taste, which I love too, all of us love the taste. But especially for vegetarian, we eat it as the source of protein. Yes, it does contain protein, about 20%. But what I'm excited about today's dish is it has high fiber, prebiotic fiber that's great for the gut health. Now let's speak about protein. Honestly, dals and lentils are good for our bodies, but it's not the best source of protein. There is a universal method of calculating the quality of the protein. It's called PDCAAS score. It's protein digestibility corrected amino acid score. And it is used by the World Health Organization and the FDA, US FDA, to actually rate the quality of the protein. The highest score is 1.0. For example, eggs, whey protein, even the plant protein, all plant protein that I use. But for example, chickpeas, dals, lentils, they have an absorbability of 0.7. The reason I tell you all this is because when I look at a chola dish, I look at it not as enough protein. I need more protein. If I'm eating chola and rice, it is not enough protein for the family. So what I do is, now of course vegetarians, North Indians might not be able to relate to this, but I'm using some coconut milk. I made freshly coconut milk, and I put 2 scoops of plant protein. Now this plant protein will actually add protein to my dish. So I will add this protein to my chola with a PDCAAS score of 1, which means my body can absorb almost all of this protein, or my family can absorb almost all of the protein put in this dish. Now why do I add coconut milk? Of course, because it's high in good fats, and I just love the taste of coconut milk. It makes the dish nice and creamy, and it's a really great taste. This is now a complete meal. Chola in our kitchens is a fantastic meal. We all should have it. But if you can add something more, more like protein in it and make it a complete meal, that's a winning concept. If this video is helpful, hit the share button and share it with a friend.